Hello, my name's Tamar, and I will be showing you how to navigate around your CashFX back office. So the first thing you'll want to do is type in www.cashfxgroup.com, which will take you to this screen here. And then you'll want to press login at the top right-hand side. You'll then be asked to enter your username and password. And once you've done that, it will ask you to enter 6 digits from your Google Authentication app, which I'll do now. Okay, so you're now logged in, and this is your dashboard. And the first thing you'll notice at the top is your referral link. So if you're going to refer anyone to CashFX, you'll need to send this link to them, and you can click copy and you can send it on to them. So as you scroll down here, you'll see mail, and any internal mail from CashFX to all of their customers will appear here. And if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see account finance, leadership, all capital, and bare capital. So your account finance is the lifetime total that you've received from CashFX. And that's both your bare and bull capital. So that is your trading pool, that is your uni level and fast start bonuses, and that's also your matrix bonuses as well. So everything will appear here. And then you'll see your leadership points. So every time you purchase a package or upgrade a package, or any member of your team purchases or upgrades a package, you'll receive leadership points, and you'll be able to see the lifetime points that you've received here. And then you have the bull capital, where you can actually see the breakdown between the uni levels you've received and the fast start bonuses you've received. And then on the bare capital, you'll be able to see any matrix bonuses you've received and the total received amount from your trading pool. Now on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see the package that you have. So this account is a 5K package. And you also see above that in green, upgrade. So if at any point you want to upgrade or you need to upgrade your account, you can click here and you'll see all of the packages available. So it goes from 7K, 10K, 15K, and you can scroll down and keep going right to the bottom where you have 100K. Let me just go back now. On the right-hand side, you have your financial progress. So the top one is your bare capital, which you can see is on 14%. And you can see where that 14% is broken down to, your trading pool and your fourth matrix. So this is what you'll need to be keeping an eye on as this starts to approach 200%. And then the bottom circle, which you can see here is 9%, that's your bull capital, and that's percentage there. And that is broken down between fast start bonuses, your uni level progress, your personal matching bonuses, any global leadership bonuses, and generational matching bonuses. That will all appear there. And finally, at the bottom, any new CashFX users will appear here. And then on the right-hand side are your rank qualifications for the leadership program. And you can see as you scroll down that it will show you your progress to reaching each level. Now going back to the top, the next tab along is finance, and you can see quite a long list here. So the first one is your fast start. So when you refer anyone personally, so these are your personal referrals, you will see your fast start appearing here. Your fast start bonus also appears in your balance immediately. Then you have your trading pool. So Monday to Friday, your money is being traded for you. And you can see here the amount that's actually being traded for you. And when you first purchase a package or upgrade, it will tell you when that is actually going to start. And every Saturday, the money gets emptied from this trading pool and empties into your balance. And you can see that down here, it also tells you here. And just bearing in mind, when they reference times, they're talking about Eastern Standard Time. So the next option down here is the uni level bonus. So any uni level bonuses that you receive will appear here. And this also empties into your balance every Saturday. Then you have your matrix. So whenever you receive any matrix bonuses, this will appear here, and you will receive that money twice a month. So it empties into your CashFX balance on the 1st and on the 16th of the month. And again, it's quite useful because it also shows down here. Then you've got your matrix matching bonuses. And the same thing applies here. When you receive those, it will appear here, and then it empties in your balance on the 1st and the 16th of the month. Then you have your global bonus. So this only applies once you reach President's Club or higher. The same sort of thing happens here as well. So the money, the points will occur here, and then that will empty on the 1st of every month. Then you've got your leadership prizes. So you'll be able to see here the long list of leadership prizes that are available. And you can see that these all say not yet achieved. But once you've actually achieved the rank, it will become available and it will allow you to claim. And you'll be able to click on this and choose the iPad, for example, or the cash equivalent. And you can do that for all of the prizes. And it gives you all the information about the dates in which you can claim and the dates on which you'll receive the prizes as well. And then you get to your balance. So this is the full balance that you have in your CashFX account, which takes into account the trading pool, the fast start bonuses, your uni level bonus, and your matrix bonuses. So they all appear here. And bearing in mind, all of the dates you see are in American formatting. So what you can also do is you can see here trading pool, you can click on that and see the breakdown for the full week. So you can see the date and you can also see the rate and then the amount that you've received as well. And then you've got request withdrawal. So at any point in time, as long as you have a minimum of $100 in your balance, you can request to withdraw. So you can simply type in the amount of dollars that you want to withdraw and press submit. And that will arrive within your Bitcoin wallet, your chosen Bitcoin wallet, whether that's Coinbase or Wirex or any other provider within 48 hours. And finally, your withdrawal status. So if you have withdrawals pending or your actual withdrawal history, any previous withdrawals will appear here. And again, you can also press request withdrawal here as well. Okay, so now you've got networks and you've got your uni level tree. So this comprises of anyone that you've referred and anyone that they have referred and so on. So this tree will start to extend as the bigger my team grows. So this is more of a visual representation, whereas the uni level report is more a written format, but it displays the same thing. And also you'll see here it says level 1. So that means that these are actually personal referrals that I've received uni level bonuses from. However, they could be on my second line or my third line or my fourth line. They don't have to actually be my personal referrals, but again, they will all appear here. And then you have your uni level pending team. And that means that if someone has signed up to CashFX, but may not have actually purchased a package yet, it will show in your uni level pending team. And then your matrix tree. Now this doesn't have to show just people in your team. It could be people above you. It could be part of your referral who's referred someone that could, sorry, not your referral, your sponsor. Someone they referred could actually fall into your matrix tree. So you'll be able to see that there as well. And then you have your personal referrals. So this is the full list of anyone that you have personally referred into CashFX. And this is also pending as well. And lastly, in networks, you have the leadership program. So you can see that currently I'm an ACE trader, and that will show here. And that's essentially my position. It shows you how many points I've earned, and it breaks it down to the amount I've earned this month and the amount I've earned the previous month, and any points that I've earned for the current day. And again, it also shows you the breakdown of the different levels, what you need to reach each level, and how far across you are progressing. And it also shows you the list of people that have within the company who have reached each rank as well. Okay, so now we're on to resources. And the first thing we have is the FAQs. And I would advise that when anyone first opens an account with CashFX, they just take their time and make their way through these FAQs, as they are really helpful, and they go into a lot of detail to make you really understand how everything works. And then you have webinar. So there are, in addition to your standard presentations, there are also presentations on a corporate level, international presentations on a corporate level, which you'll find here in your desired language. And then you have Web TV. So this is the live trading that is occurring on the different currency pairs right now. So this is real time. And you can see that this is what the traders are doing. And essentially they're screen sharing their page. And you can scroll across to the different currency pairs that are actually active. So that one's active. And this one's active at the moment. So these are the currency pairs that they're actually trading at the moment. And then you have marketing tools. So for anyone that wants to expand within CashFX from a marketing perspective with their team, you've got logos here that you can easily download by clicking on them. And also, if you feel confident enough to present to your own team, your own family and friends, you can download a PDF version of the presentations in your required language. And then we have account. So you've got edit profile. And this is just general information on your profile, your name, country of residence, your email address. And if you need to update your password, you can do that by clicking here. And then subscription setting. So we often receive emails from CashFX, and this is essentially allowing you to control what type of emails that you receive. And then you've got your Bitcoin wallet. So once you've created an account with CashFX and you've made your payment, you'll also need to open a wallet account. So you need to have your own Bitcoin wallet account, and it could be with a provider such as Coinbase, Wirex. I personally recommend Coinbase. Within Coinbase, you'll have your Bitcoin wallet address, which you'll just need to copy and paste into this field here. It will also, for extra security, require you to enter your two-factor authentication code in here, and then you can click Save. And then you have your two-factor authentication set up. So again, once you've created your account, you'll need to enable two-factor authentication. And on this screen, it will take you through how to do that, which doesn't appear here because I already have it enabled, but you should have received a process document which shows you how to do that. And finally, you have your payment history. So this just shows any package payments, any upgrades that you've made within CashFX. So you can see here that I originally purchased $500. I upgraded to a $2,000 package, and therefore I only needed to pay the difference, which is $1,500, which appears here. And then again, I upgraded to $5,000. So I only needed to pay the difference between $2,000 package and my $5,000 package, which was $3,000, and that appears here. So the other tab you have is the CFX Academy, which I'll just open a new tab. And this is your Learning Academy. So if I just scroll down here, there are 3 modules available for the Elemental series. The Intro to the Forex Market, the Basics of Technical Analysis, and the 3rd module is Japanese Candlesticks. So this is where all of the Academy portals live. I'll just go back. And then you have support. So if you have any issues with your system or any bugs that you identify, you can raise this with the person that referred you and brought you into CashFX, but what you can also do is raise a ticket. And you would simply click New Ticket, and then you can put the type. So is it a bug, you've got a question or other, and then the topic, they've got some generic type topics here. And you can put the subject and the message. And you can click this button if you want to log out. So just taking me back to the dashboard. So that is, in a nutshell, the CashFX back office. And what I'd advise everyone to do when they create an account is just make their way through each of these options and just familiarize yourself with the system. But we also have back office training throughout the week as well, in addition to this video. So thank you. I really hope that was informative.